Hello and welcome to Simone Castello MLO, your mortgage loan originator, helping people achieve their dream of homeownership. If you're planning to buy a home, one of the first things you'll need to do is figure out how much you can afford. But with so many mortgage calculators out there, it can be overwhelming to know which one to trust. In today's video, I'm going to break down the key features to look for in a mortgage calculator and show you how to use them to make smarter decisions on your home buying journey. I'll even share a quick story about how I used a mortgage calculator to save thousands of dollars on my mortgage, so stick around, you don't want to miss this. But before we dive in, if you want to check out my favorite mortgage calculator, click the link in the description. It's the one I recommend, and it could save you a lot of time and money. Why mortgage calculators matter? When you're in the process of buying a home, understanding your budget is crucial. Mortgage calculators can help you get a clear picture of what you can afford, which is essential for making informed decisions. I remember when I was buying my first home, using a mortgage calculator really helped me clarify my budget and gave me peace of mind. It was like having a little financial advisor right at my fingertips. Types of mortgage calculators. There are several types of mortgage calculators you can use, each with its own set of features. Basic mortgage calculators will give you a simple estimate of your monthly payments. Then, there are advanced calculators that include taxes and insurance, giving you a more comprehensive view of your costs. And finally, affordability calculators help you determine how much house you can realistically afford based on your income and expenses. Personally, I found that using different calculators at various stages of my home buying journey was incredibly helpful. It allowed me to see the big picture and make more informed decisions. Key features to look for in a mortgage calculator. When you're choosing a mortgage calculator, there are some essential features you really want to look out for. Things like interest rate customization, down payment options, and amortization schedules are super important. I remember when I was planning my mortgage, the ability to customize the interest rate was a game changer. It allowed me to see how different rates would impact my monthly payments and overall cost. How to use a mortgage calculator effectively. All right, let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to input all your data accurately, things like the loan amount, interest rate, and loan term. Then, interpret the results carefully. Look at your monthly payment, total interest paid, and amortization schedule. Don't be afraid to adjust for different scenarios. Maybe you're considering a larger down payment or a shorter loan term. Try those out and see how they affect your payments. I have to say, using a mortgage calculator accurately really helped me negotiate a better deal on my mortgage. I was able to show the lender exactly what I could afford, and it made a big difference. Recommended mortgage calculators. Now, let's talk about some of my top picks. There are some fantastic options out there, both online and as apps. I personally used a specific calculator that I found incredibly intuitive and accurate. It had all the features I needed and was easy to navigate. I'll share which one that was and why it stood out for me. So there you have it, a complete guide to choosing and using mortgage calculators. Remember, these tools are just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to buying a home, but they can make a huge difference in how much you end up paying over the life of your mortgage. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more home buying tips. And don't forget to check out the link in the description for my favorite mortgage calculator. Trust me, it's a game changer. If you're serious about buying a home, you might also want to check out my guide linked below. It's packed with tips that can save you even more money on your mortgage. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And for more tips and tricks on navigating the world of real estate and finance, subscribe to our channel. If you have questions or want to share your thoughts, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy home hunting!